Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I will be showing you how to create a dishwasher repair service website. The platform that we'll be using to create our website is none other than Wix Website Builder. The thing that I love about Wix Website Builder is it is beginner friendly, easy to use, and you can get started for completely free. All you will need to get started is your email address. That's it. You do not need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. Once you have created your account, you're going to tap on Create New Site. After selecting Create New Site, I want you to tap on Create on Wix Editor. After selecting Create on Wix Editor, you're going to see the option to get started using their AI, but I would recommend that you tap on Set Up Without AI, as this will give you more authority on how to customize or set up your website. So once on this dashboard, you're going to simply type in dishwasher right here. So you can see dishwasher repair service. You're going to tap on that. Then tap on next. After selecting next, you can see Wix is preparing our dashboard. Once our dashboard has been prepared, we'll now be able to add our business name and the different services that we will be offering our clients. So you can see right here, we're currently on our dashboard. So as stated earlier, it is now time to add your business name. So you can add your business name right there. You can also add your business address right here. Then tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. After selecting next, you will now be able to set up your business working hours. So let's say we will be open from Monday to Friday, and we'll open shop from 7 a.m. in the morning, as you know, early birds, and we'll be closing our shop, let's say a full 12-hour shift, so we'll be closing at 7 p.m. After doing that, you're going to tap on next in the bottom right hand corner, and you can see some sample services that the Wix platform recommends that we add. If you offer any one of these services, you can simply tap on it. So you can scroll down and you can view the different services right here. So you can see, let's say we were to select this one. And by the way, to add more services that you don't see in the recommended section, you can tap on Create New Service. Then you could add in the service name and tap on Save. After doing that, you're going to tap on Next. From here, you can add in your staff member's name. You can also add their email address. Then tap on Next once more. And if you plan on accepting payments online, you can tap on Accept Online Payments. More than likely, you will be accepting payments in person, so you can select that also. Then tap on Next. Then select Continue to Dashboard. Once on the dashboard, I will be showing you how to edit the services that you have added thus far, or how to add more services to your website. You will also be able to set up the different payment options that you would like to offer. So select Booking Services from the left-hand menu option. After selecting Booking Services, you will be redirected to this page. And in the top right-hand corner, we can tap on Add New Service if we would like to create a new service. But by scrolling down, we'll be able to edit the service that we had earlier. So we'll tap on Edit right here. After selecting Edit, you will be redirected to the service page. You could change the cover image by tapping on the X to remove the image and upload an image. You can also scroll down and you could change the service name if you want. And you can also change the duration right here. After doing that, you can scroll down a bit further and you could add in the costs for that particular service. And also, if it is a case that you will be able to offer this service via video conferencing. So let's say, for example, for your consultation, you will allow customers to Zoom call you and you look on their dishwasher and make your assessment before going in person. You can select video conferencing right here. So you can add that instead of your location. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner. After you have saved the changes, what I want you to do next is go back over to the top left hand corner, and you're going to tap on the X to close this pop-up. Then you can hover over booking calendar and you can select calendar. After selecting calendar, you'll be able to view all of your bookings in the future, and also to set up your payment options that you will be able to offer your customers. You will need to select billing and payments, then tap on payments. After you have done that, I want you to tap on manage payment methods. After selecting manage payment methods, depending on the country or region that you're located in, you will see different payment options that you can offer. For example, I can connect TiloPay and PayPal, but if I were to change my business location by tapping on change right here, let's say for example I were to change my business location to Canada, you will now see that I can offer a different set of payment options, as you can see right here. I'll now be able to offer Apple Pay, Google Pay, and so much more. And to get even more payment options, you can tap on see more payment options in the bottom left hand corner. From here, you'll be able to connect AAA, which would allow you to connect crypto payments. You can scroll down, you can connect Klarna, and so much more. After you're finished, and keep in mind, to accept payments on the Wix platform, you will need to go onto one of their premium plans or paid plans. But these plans start off at $17 per month, which is a very affordable price. We're going to go over to the top left hand corner, tap on setup. After selecting setup, you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on pick a template. After selecting pick a template, you will now see some stunning themes that you can use. And this is one of the major standout features when it comes on to Wix. As with these templates, you can simply drag and place your information and customize it to your liking. So let's say, for example, I would like to use this template. All I would need to do is tap on edit. After you have tapped on edit, you're going to give it a few seconds while the AI composes our website in the background. Once on this page, you could tap in the box right here and you could type in some information that you would like to be added to your website. Then tap on generate site text, and the Wix AI will compose articles that can be added to your website. But for now, for the sake of time, I'll tap on the X right here to close this. Then from here, we'll tap on the plus in the top right hand corner. So right where you see plus 50%, you're going to tap right there. Then at the moment, this is how our website looks. You can see it right here. Now we can start editing our website. So you're going to hover over the section that you would like to edit. Tap on quick edit in the top left hand corner. Let's say we would like to change the let's say we would like to change the image. So we'll tap on change in the top right hand corner, then tap on image. After selecting image, you are going to see a pop-up appear. From here, you could tap on upload media and upload an image, or you can tap on the search bar right here. And let's say we were to type in dishwasher. So let's see the recommended images. Then we could select this image, then tap on change background, and you will now see that the background image has changed, as you can see right there. And then from there, you could go back and you can also scroll down. You could change the title if you want, and you can change the information right here if you want. It is quite easy to edit any section on your Wix website. All you have to do is tap on the section that you would like to edit, tap on edit text. Then from there, you can change the text. If you would like to change the font color, we could tap on color right here. Then we could change the color to, for example, black. As you can see right there, you can change the color quite easily. Then from there, you can also change the font size if you want, and you can change the font style. And this is how it is to edit any section on your Wix website. And if it is a case that you would like to add a text box or image to a particular section, you can go over to the top left hand corner, tap on the plus that says add elements. From here you can add text, images, buttons, videos, anything at all that you want to add to your website in the future. You will find it in this section right here. Anything at all that you want to add to any page, you will find it right here. And to view all the pages on your website, you're going to tap on home in the top left hand corner. So you can see we have the home page, which we are currently on, the services page, the about page, and the book online page. So let's say, for example, we would like to edit the services page. We can select the services page, and you can see how it looks at the moment. And the concept remains the same when it comes on to editing. You hover over the section that you would like to change, tap on quick edit in the top left hand corner. A window is going to pop up on the right hand column, and from there you can start making your changes. So you could tap on change right where you see vector art. Then you could upload an image again, as I said, or you can type in right here, let's say dishwashing machine, and see which vector art is recommended. Then tap on enter and see. So let's say we wanted to use this one just for example's sake. So we'll select this one, then tap on add to page. After you have selected it, you can see the vector art has changed, and you could do that with each option, and you can also change the information, meaning the text. Once you're finished editing it and it is to your liking, you are going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. Then you can tap on publish and your website will now be live. And as I have stated earlier, if it is a case that you would like to start accepting payments online, you will need to go onto one of their paid plans. But if you don't want to accept payments, you can continue using Wix for completely free, but you just won't be able to accept payments. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you have any questions that you would like to ask, you can let me know in the comment section.